The Capstone course is the culminating experience in UB's Masters in Engineering Management. It's where students bring together what they've learned in the program and apply it to a real challenge in their workplace or organization. Rather than working on a hypothetical case, our students focus on a meaningful, strategic, and operational problem, something that matters to their teams, their processes, and their organizations. Throughout this course, students learn how to define the problem clearly, articulate why it matters to address it now within the organizational and stakeholder context, and analyze the current state, design and evaluate solution alternatives, and come up with a clear set of recommendations grounded in engineering management tools and data. But the Capstone goes beyond that. Students are also expected to implement the recommendations and measure their effectiveness so they can evaluate what worked, what changed, and what impact their efforts had. So as you can imagine, this culminating experience puts it all together, and also it's an opportunity for students to grow and demonstrate their capabilities as technical leaders. They learn how to tell their story of their work from conception to implementation, how they identify the problem, build the case for change, carry their ideas forward, and assess results. While the work is highly individualized, students are supported throughout the process. They receive one-on-one coaching, and they also have opportunities to learn from their peers, see the kinds of projects others are working on, and provide feedback within the engineering management community. By the end of the course, students leave with more than a final deliverable. They leave with experience of leading a real improvement effort, the confidence that comes from seeing through, and a project that reflects both their professional worth and growth and the value they create in their organizations. If you're looking for an opportunity to apply what you've learned, lead a meaningful change, and grow as an engineering management professional, I hope you'll consider joining us. And I'd love to see you here at UB.